Something must have gone wrong in my brain. Got your chemicals all in my veins. Feeling all the highs, feeling all the pain. Let go on the wheel, it's a bullet lane. Now I'm seeing red, not thinking straight. Burn all the lines, you intoxicate me.
Ay, dang. Birthday mo daw eh. Tama ba? Anyway, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Tsaka, stay pretty. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Hello babe! Happy birthday! Ayan, wish ko lang sa'yo is first letter D. Stay down to earth. Ikaw yung pinaka mayaman at paesang friend na kilala ko pero never kong naramdaman na nagyabang. And then next is letter E. Enjoy lang. Ano yun ako na parehas tayo ng wavelength. I know that you can get as emotional as I can get pero yun lang, payo ko lang is to always enjoy life and wag kang pipitik sa pills. And then next, N. Wala ako actually maisip sa N kasi negative yung dinadala mo sa buhay ko. Joke. And never change. Yun, parang I know that's impossible pero as much as you can, sana hindi ka magbago. And then letter G. Ayan, G lang. Always G. Go lang ng go. Ayun, see you mamaya. I know di mo lang ginawa ko to and I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Deng. So, D is for damn girl. Whenever we see her post in social media, it's so on point. She's pretty and gorgeous, even in person. And then E is for empathic. Whenever she feels like she can relate to you, or if she senses that you're being disturbed, she'll come up to you, talk to you, and you'll feel less alone. N is for nocturnal, so she works for JP Morgan and Chase, and she works at night. And G is for golden. So golden for me is someone who is worthy, top-notch, and someone you're not supposed to let go of. Happy birthday, Ding!
Hi Ding! Happy birthday! Wish ko para sa'yo sana mas maraming pang blessings sa darating sa buhay mo. Happy birthday!
Hi Ashley, Arvin here, and I'd just like to greet you a happy birthday. This year I have 4 wishes for you that actually spell out your name. Letter D for do something that you haven't done before, or go to a place that you haven't been. Letter E is for you to elevate yourself in terms of your career and life goals. Letter N is to negate the negative. You have to wake up each day with a happy heart and positivity. Letter G is for you to gain more genuine and worthwhile people that are actually worthy of your big heart and the love that you offer each and every one of us, your friends. I am very thankful that I get to meet someone like you in this lifetime, Ashley, and I just want you to enjoy your day this day. Happy birthday.
Just like nicotine, heroin, morphine. Suddenly I'm a fiend and you're all I need, all I need. Yeah, you're all I need.
Hi Deng, happy birthday. I wish you the most happiest and the most successful life ever. And I wish you the best. I love you so much and thank you very much for being you. I love you.
Hi Deng Baksha, happy birthday. Deng stands for dangerous kasi sobrang dangerous woman niya, parang si Ariana Grande. And E stands for exotic kasi sobrang unusual ng beauty niya. Ayun, sobrang unique, sobrang ganda. And N stands for no to negativity kasi every time nakasama ko siya, sobrang good vibes lang. Yun, sobrang fun mo kasama. And G stands for good heart. Ayun, kasi sobrang mabuti kang tao and sobrang buti mong kaibigan. Yun lang. Happy birthday! I love you!
Hi Soul Sis, happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life, syempre, and more healthy years to come. And sana mas maging tight pa yung friendship natin. I'm so thankful na nakilala kita. And sobrang saya kapag kasama kita kasi syempre, paliw ka din katulad ko eh. So, ayun. Looking forward to more travels syempre. And, wala na ako mahiling pa kasi parang lahat na sa'yo na beauty brains, loving family, masayang mga friends, syempre, kahit nagpaplastikan lang tayong lahat, charot. So, ayun, sana mas maging patient ka pa sa akin, kahit na lagi kitang binabaliw, and thank you, kasi lagi ka nandyan na makinig sa lahat ng mga kadramahan ko sa buhay, especially about sa boys. Charot! Happy birthday, and I love you so much! Mwah.
Hi, Deng! Happy birthday! Hope you enjoy your day and make sure you are always happy and good health. Dahil birthday mo ngayon, siguraduhin mo talaga na hindi matatapos ang araw na ito na wala kang isang bonggang-bonggang masarap. Masarap na cake. Ikaw din eh. Happy birthday!
It's you, babe, and I'm a sucker for the way that you move, babe. And I could try to run, but it would be useless. You're to blame. Just one hit of you, I knew I'll never be the same.
Happy birthday, Deng Montano! Wish ko sa'yo sana wala nang problema. More sadness and happiness to come. Sadness, alive. Tsaka, message ko sa'yo, D for Deng, E for Eng, N for N, G for kasi Deng is Deng. Yeah, wala nang makukumpara. Thank you. Hey! Hey! That's what's love is. Hi, Deng! Happy birthday! Enjoy mo lang yung birthday mo at sana maging masaya ka with your family and with your friends. Enjoy mo lang yan at once a year lang yan. Happy birthday!
It's you, babe, and I'm a sucker for the way that you move, babe. And I could try to run, but it would be useless. You're to blame. Just one hit of you, I knew I'll never, ever, ever be the same.
Hi, Deng. Pangit. Happy birthday. Huwag mo na isipin wala kaming birthday. Waiting sa'yo na mahaba. Ano naman kami lagi mo kasama. Huwag ano sana magdrama. And to describe you, D for daot, because you're pretty. Lagi na lang akong hindi gumaganda pagkatabi kita. E is for, ewan ko sa'yo, lagi kang tinatantrums. N is for nakakapagod ka mahalin. And G is for gago ka, lagi mo akong ginagago. I love you, me. Love na love ka namin lahat. I hope you stay the same and tigil mo na yung pagpipilar mo.
Ang payat-payat ko niya.
Sige, ganito lang yung anak ko, video. Hindi mababasa.
Hi, Deng Montano! Happy birthday! I hope all your birthday wishes come true and makuha mo lahat ng gusto mo on your birthday. Happy birthday!
Ayan sa inyo. Happy birthday, love! Happy birthday, Deng Montano. So, sa mga hindi nakakalam, si Deng ay isa sa mga malapit kong friend, like, takbuhan kong friend. So, i-explain ko si Deng sa inyo in D-E-N-G. So, D for, Deng is divergent. Like, I don't mean she's a really divergent, but, she is she's different and she's one of a kind. Like when you saw her, see her. Happy birthday, love. Sorry, nagpapasa kasi yung libre. So, gusto na kita batiin ng happy birthday. Sana manatili kang mabait, mapagbigay, at syempre maganda. So, as of Ina, kailangan naming bigyan ng sentence kada letters ng pangalan mo. So, yun. D is for divergent. I mean, hindi totally divergent, pero nasabi ko divergent dahil sobrang kakaiba ka sa lahat. Dahil iba yung pakikitungo mo sa akin bilang kaibigan. I mean, yan, ibang-iba sa ibang tao na which is good for me na nakahanap ako ng kakaibang taong nakakatulong sa akin. And E is for everything. Yun nga, as what I've said, parang all-in ka na. I mean, you're a good girlfriend, best friend, mother, brother, or a sister. And N is for nice. I mean, you're very nice as a friend even if kahit parati kita kinukupal, kahit parati mo kinukupal, alam mo naman siguro nice ka. And G is for gorgeous. Kahit parati kita sinasabihin na mukha kang lalaki, alam mo naman siguro love na joke ko lang yun dahil gorgeous ka. So, I just want to greet you ulit na happy birthday. Sana tumagal yung pagiging kaibigan natin. I love you. Bye-bye.
Mo. Ito na, naka-record na. Mag-sorry ka na isa pa.
Nagano yung laruan?
Okay. Ay, nag-record na.
Para sa love ko, kasalanan ko lahat. Pero dahil masama akong tao, sabi niya. Binaligtad ko siya. Pero ang totoo kasi, mali ko talaga. Kasi dahil tunay siyang kaibigan. Gabait. Hindi maarte. Babaeng babae.
I love you, love.
I love you, love. Di ba mga sa babae? Oo. Tsaka, ikaw na yung wala kasi yung sabi ko lalaki ka. Alam mo na yung sabi ko tayo, ikaw pinakamagandang pinalang sa iyo.
Kung sabi mo dati ako, puta.
Hindi wala kasi.
Ano mo, burger cake. Sabi mo dati ako.
You, I knew I'll never be the same. It's you, babe. And I'm a sucker for the way that you move, babe. And I could try to run, but it would be useless. You're to blame. Just when hitting you, I knew I'll never, ever be the same. I'll never be the same. I'll never be the same. I'll never be the same. You're in my blood, you're in my veins, you're in my head. You're in my blood, you're in my veins, you're in my head. I'm saying it's you, babe. And I'm a sucker for the way that you move, babe. And I could try to run, but it would be useless. You're to blame. Just when hitting you, I knew I'll never be the same. It's you, babe. And I'm a sucker for the way that you move, babe. And I could try to run, but it would be useless. You're to blame. Just when hitting you, I knew I'll never, ever be the same.
Baby, ang dami, nag-away kami, sinapak niya kaya binugbog niya ako.
Nagsabakan ka.
Wow, grabe ka nagsapak. Okay.
Everybody, I have an announcement to make.
I got it. We're listening.
Do you know Virgilius Marcos graduated valedictorian?
Woo!